Guys, I'm back. As you've seen, the last update was I did the valve cover. Today I got the valve cover hardware. I've always had the Pro Tuners fuel rail and intake for the L28ET, but I want to clean this up as if I do it for the motor that's inside here, the NA. I really, I'm gonna still use the same fuel system. Not much is gonna be upgraded when I swap it to the turbo, but I'm gonna be working on removing the stock fuel rail and the stock lines, and I'm gonna try to figure out this is sorry. Ideally, this is the idea I have. I would like to put it like this. I'm not 100% sure if I have the clearance to, so that's what I'm going to attempt to figure out now. While I still wait on a couple fittings, I need a 6AN 90 degree for my return, and I've got to install the pressure gauge on this side. But yeah, I'm not, most likely, I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'll give you an update when I take this out, which is usually this bolt, loosen all of these these bar tubes and the return line and the fuel sending line, and that's really it. And then I have to take this off. A couple minutes passed by. I got a couple things off. Stock fuel rail off. The stock fuel rail did a lot of loops, and it had the fuel pressure regulator on. I'm kind of getting an idea of what it is that I'm going to have to do. I'm currently running the Easy EFI setup wiring harness, and I'm noticing right now that well, the way I ran my harness is gonna give me a problem. As you guys can see right here, over here is kind of like lined up correctly. Over here I'm gonna have to figure something out here. Either disconnect all this and run it underneath the linkage for the time being. I'm 100% sure, yes, I'm aware I installed the manifold now. The Pro Tunerz manifold, I won't have that problem, as the Pro Tuner manifold does not use the linkage. But there's a couple issues that I'm running into as far as I don't know where am I gonna find a vacuum for the Easy EFI system on that manifold. So my idea would be, if I can get an aluminum 1-inch thickness, make a spacer, drill something on the side where I can run the vacuum, which is this, and go from there. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be all for tonight. I'm not gonna keep going. I'm gonna take a break. I work tomorrow, so I'll keep you guys posted on how I'm gonna reroute this tomorrow. Okay, guys, quick update. I put Teflon tape on everything, on every fitting so far. I have to put on the 6N before I actually put it back into the car. But yes, so I put Teflon on this, both with a ring. This, I have to put Teflon tape on this. 6AN on this. I put it on this. I put it on the pressure gauge. These already had. So I'm actually gonna take this off so I can put this under. So I'll give you guys a little quick preview later. And I most likely have to run to Advance or AutoZone to buy more vacuum holes, as my fuel pressure regulator used to be here. It's gonna be here now. Hey guys, I have it all installed. I actually found some fittings I had laying around. This is closer. This is more like an acute angle. It's not a full 90 degree. I think this is a 45, which is better for the return line, the fuel return line. I have to buy 4 feet. Then I did a 90 here. And as you can see, it literally just sits right there near the valve cover to the fuel filter. This, everything works. It actually runs better. I was having a couple idle issues at 1200, and it actually went down to 1000. I'm not sure if on the stock fuel rail, I'm not sure if my fuel pressure regulator diaphragm was messed up. I know that on that one it was. Oops, this thing has still gas in it. But yeah, very simple. I got the fittings from Amazon. I got this fuel pressure regulator, POY. I've been seeing them on Amazon and eBay. This was only about $30 something. I get it. I know you guys are gonna say don't cheap out, whatever, but the reviews were amazing on this. Everybody said this is a great buy. So I'm actually gonna buy another one just to keep it, you know, in the stash, just in case prices go up. And another thing you might want to do if you do this upgrade is, I have the stock injectors with the barbed wire, I guess that's what they called. I just changed these hoses on every injector to avoid having to do it later. But yep, I'm gonna put a little short video of it running, and you guys should. Great upgrade, cleans everything up. My next is putting the manifold. The video of it running.